2017 Road King with the oohs and the ahs, man.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, this Road King feel lovely. Oh, my Lord. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. He tried to cut me off. Woo-hoo!
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. I know it's been almost a month. And I'm gonna just say this. We are giving this away to whoever's got in. Just trying to finish up these last few orders. It's a few things we got to catch up on, but furthermore, man, if you guys did purchase something and didn't get it in the mail yet, truth is, a lot of people didn't order stuff, so the stuff we order is from China, and so I just have to source it locally, which we already sourced. So with that being said, man, y'all look out for y'all tracking numbers and all the above. Everything is shipped out. Everything but about 7 to 10 items is shipped out. So I'll get with you guys in a second. You guys know we started up a whole new channel. Everything is still regular. It has been almost about a month, guys, and we got a lot of stuff to catch up on. But in the midst of everything, man, we have got caught up on a whole bunch of stuff on the waiting list, and not a lot of people had ordered. And since not a lot of people ordered the previous products that we uploaded online, man, a lot of that stuff came from overseas. So it wasn't enough to order to really just make it make sense. So I had to source a lot of stuff locally. Meanwhile, if you guys did purchase something, everything will be out in the next couple of days. Meanwhile, most of you guys' stuff is already out. It's probably about a good 11 of you guys left that I got to take care of. But other than that, I definitely appreciate you guys hanging in there, tuning in, man. We are finally back on our Everything's Regular channel. Why? Because we are finally a YouTube partner again. You guys know YouTube cut me off for 6 months. Furthermore, man, we are back and back in action, man. You guys seen the last video of us picking up the Road King, getting it together. Finally got that thing done. I've been riding it. Haven't really shared it with you guys, so I'm gonna probably ride it today with you guys on camera before it gets out of here. And I say before it gets out of here, that's because we have already sold the Road King, man. Meanwhile, with our strawberry lemon drop road glide, man, as of right now, we probably got about 60 to 70 entries, and I think I'm just gonna do it like that, man. So when I get this last 10 orders shipped out, I'm pretty much just gonna give it away, and it's gonna be whoever's in there, and I can't wait, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We got a lot of stuff to catch up on. Just know that. To my people that's waiting, I definitely appreciate you waiting, but the wait is about to be no longer, man. Everything is about to come to you, and I'm about to surprise a few of y'all, man. So y'all know what time it is. Let's go up in here and check this bike out, man. Alrighty, here we are, man. 2017 Road King with the oohs and the ahs, man. So we added, when we first got this bike, it came on the stock wheels over there. Stock wheels over there, of course. We switched those bad boys out for the 21-inch Talon. And we got the rear wheel on there. We changed out all the exhaust, so you guys know this bike came chrome, all chrome at first. All the accessories and everything was chrome. So we got new black exhaust shields, just so it'll bring that black out a little bit more. We actually got the nacelle painted. We powder coated the nacelle. Handlebars, changed those things out. Got a wraparound fender on there. Of course, we got fresh black, brand new bags on this sucker. It is looking good. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we can just check down here, just check him out. She does look good. One little thingy thing. Forgot about this. But all in all, she did clean up real nice. Is looking real good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Now, before our transporter get here to take this thing out of here, we will be riding this thing with you guys, so I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this thing off the jack stand and see what it's riding like, big Road King style, man. It's about to be a movie, man. Meanwhile, like I said, man, strawberry lemon drop is still here, and you guys are gonna be getting that. I can't wait to give you guys that, because that one's actually gonna be literally probably the lowest amount of people ever in one of our giveaways, man. So somebody's gonna have a serious chance at that. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now, purchase anything on the website, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Don't let them people leave a bad taste in your mouth about me, man. Y'all know what it is, and y'all know how I'm coming. Everything Regular is about to be a movie, man. Let's hop on this bike and see what's going on. And then I don't think we did hear this thing start last time, but not like it does now, man. Not like it did now, man. This thing is looking sounding amazing. All the oohs and the ahs, man. She looking real good. Got the good light set up in the back. Good old setup in the back.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, this road king feel lovely. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. This thing feels amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all know it feels amazing if I'm on. I got shorts on and a little t-shirt. Slide. Slide, no. That windshield would help out, I ain't gonna lie. That windshield would help out. Slide, no. Yes, sir. And I ain't been on the Road King in so long. This thing feels amazing. Amazing. Like literally amazing, bro. What y'all think about the Road King so far? I mean, it's a regular stock Road King, man, but it actually feels really, really good, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It feels amazing, especially in this winter. It's like 83 degrees right now. It doesn't look 83 degrees at all. If you look at the sky, it doesn't look like 83 degrees at all, but it's definitely about a good 83 for sure. He tried to cut me off. Like, are you paying attention or you're not? Are you paying attention or you're not? Like I said, man, it's been about a long month since we put out a video, and I got my YouTube back now, so be prepared. Like I said, if you guys ordered anything, man, a lot of people didn't order enough for us to order from overseas like we usually do, so I had to source, excuse me, so I had to source it locally. But we finally sourced everything locally, and most of you guys orders is shipped out, except for about a good 10 of you guys. 10 of you guys I'm still waiting on to get done. It's probably about a week out, but I definitely appreciate each and every last one of you guys' support, man. Without you guys, man, I don't even know. So don't let nobody tell you about me. Let me tell you about me. How about that? Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go up. We about to hit one of these back streets in a minute and see what we gonna. Dang, that's a big old bird. Oh my God, that thing was huge. Them some big old birds. But yeah, we about to hit one of these back streets and get it together. Let me see if I can get a nice something going. Oh, come on, give it to me. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. In the shorts and everything. I'm telling you, pop clutch is ready to go. It's ready to go, man. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of think I want another Road King for the summer. I think for the summer, man, I think I want a Road King. I kind of like this ride right now. I ain't gonna lie. The Road King ain't never felt this good. The Road King has never felt this good, but today it feels great. Feels great. Yeah. What we got rocking, man? Let's see what we got rocking, man. Come on, don't turn. Woohoo! Oh my Lord! It's raining now. What the heck? Bro, it's raining right now. Uh-oh. Missed that stop sign. Sometimes you just gotta keep going, I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna cause you way more trouble to stop than it's gonna cause you way more trouble to stop than to just keep going sometimes. Especially in this rain. I wasn't about to hit them front brakes and slam on them things like that, I ain't gonna lie. But luckily we're good, we're safe, and we back here having a ball. Let's see what's down here. Y'all know we got a sharp corner right here, and the last time I did that, I went straight through and flipped on the island. So let's not go too crazy on the roads we don't know too perfect. House. You know, they got some nice houses out here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, I love the countryside. You gotta love the country, man. You gotta love the country, man. Now, all this thing really need, I'm gonna tell you what it really need, man. It need at least a 128, 124, anything like that, with a chain and a nice tire. I think this will be a good, I think this will be a good bike for somebody. Oh, little slip up, little slip up. Yes, sir. What y'all think about it? Sliding in this thing. Ooh, there we go. There we go. I ain't gonna lie, that third gear, that second to third gear, Bengals baseball. Got the Cincinnati Bengals baseball. Thing is beasting right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, it's definitely beasting. Just comfortable. You can literally just kick your feet up and just slide. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yep, let me downshift one. Oh yeah. They got chickens. They got chickens over there, man. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. It's a movie. I ain't gonna lie. If y'all like the Road King, man, let your boy know in the comments below. This thing is headed out of here today. The transporter should pick it up hopefully within the next hour or so. So we had to get a nice first ride on this thing with y'all, because I've been riding it, but I ain't did a first ride with y'all yet. So I hope y'all enjoy the bike. I'm about to set y'all up in the back just so y'all can see how this thing is really slide, man. Let's go. Just like that, first ride on the Road King, success. Y'all see what's going on. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. Right before she heads out of here, man. About to be a movie, man. I can't wait. Whoever purchased that, man, definitely hope you guys enjoy it. Meanwhile, of course, the one and only strawberry lemon drop.
time it is, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. You guys want to shot at winning that. This is going to be the lowest entry giveaway, or the lowest amount of people that enter a giveaway ever, man. So if you guys want a nice strong shot at winning, now's your time to shine, man. Head on over to Everything Regular. So alrighty guys, gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. I'm glad to be back on this channel and making something while we're on it, man. So you guys know what time it is. We got our 2017 Road Clean all complete, up and ready to go, man. We was gonna give it away to one of you guys, but like I said, the sales was just not where we needed them to be. So with that being said, it'll just be our strawberry lemon drop road glide over there, I guess in the next week or so, give or take, man. So y'all stay tuned. Definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you some merch, man. If you guys did purchase any merch, I literally only got about 10 orders left to ship out, and that's only because we didn't do a whole huge bulk order from like outside the country, so we had to source a lot of stuff locally. But all in all, we got everything sourced, and we're just waiting on like 10 more pieces to get those last 10 people out the way. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't entered, y'all know what time it is. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.